everybody. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna do kind of like a daily vlog type thing. I'm headed to my buddy Alex's house. We're gonna go hiking out in the woods this afternoon. It's a little bit cloudy, so we may run into some weather, so it might get interesting. So I'm gonna bring the camera with me. Should be a pretty good time. Alex has a really cool 2J swapped S13, so I'm gonna try to check that out, see if we can get him to rip a burnout or something in his driveway. Oh, wow. Yep, this is definitely it. The whole driveway is one big burnout mark. So Alex just showed us his awesome S13. Now we're gonna go on an adventure. So here we are, South Mountain State Park. We got our travel guide, Mr. Alex Scronce. He's gonna show us around. So quick update. Turns out our guide has no idea where we're going.
On an adventure.
So
don't worry about it.
Hopefully this video gets out. If you find this camera next to a dead body, then you know what happened. It was this guy's fault.
Blame me.
So that's just the way it is, I guess. Alex, what do these native symbols mean, man?
It means people beware.
Was that B pie?
What's
Flying
on it?
fish?
B squared.
B question mark? Wow. Having fun so far?
Beautiful, man. I love this place.
Had to stop for a quick water break here. It's pretty humid. How much further do you think we have to go?
Yeah, I think up these stairs.
We just got to go up this hill now. Easier said than done. Holy shit. Oh. Wow. That was a steep hill. So we made the executive decision that that bench was as far up this hill we were gonna make. So we're gonna head back down and I guess make our way back. So I finally talked Alex into playing us a song on his douche flute. It's called Clouds. So Alex just told me that he's got a diving board and a pool house that we could jump off of.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see if I can still do some flips. It's been like 10 years, I think.
We going tricking, huh?
I might end up hurting myself, but at least there'll be video of it. So it's really not that bad if you think about it. So that's next on the agenda for sure.
do?
Yeah, I can't do flips anymore apparently. So this is my basketball mixtape. Hoping it'll get me a scholarship. Look at my skills. Alright, I'll try again. So, it's a moment of truth. I've convinced Alex to rip the sick driveway burnout in his S13. So, hopefully you ladies like some spinning tires. If you want some dating info, the link to his Facebook is going to be in the description. Let's do it. Clouds version 2.
It's my new song. It's called Bigger Clouds.
Just now leaving Alex's house, had a really good time. I always have a good time when I hang out with him. So I'm headed back to Charlotte. Not sure exactly what we're doing tonight, but guess we'll kind of see once I get back in town. Just saw an R32 Skyline on 321. Pretty cool. Oh no, I think I know where this is going. I can tell by the bad video quality and horrible teeth and the no bra. A word of advice, do not visit fartcake.com. Alright, so we are about to head to Common Market. It's like a cool place to hang out. They have a bunch of like good craft beer and stuff like that, so all the hipsters hang out there. Should be pretty lit. We just got back from Common Market. Had a pretty good time hanging out with everybody. Saw a bunch of people didn't expect to see, so it was cool. That's the end of the night. I'm exhausted, about to go to sleep. But see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.